in her face. The mirror of your dreams.
Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm gonna be doing a little DIY outfit, and you know, there's this girl doing the WAP challenge. You know. I was like, wow, her outfit, totes adorbs, and I was like, where can I find that? I should just do it myself. So today we're gonna be bleaching this, which is a top, and some matching black shorts. So let's get to it. So what we'll need is some bleach, of course, the clothing, and rubber band. I know these aren't the right rubber bands, but I don't have the right ones, so I've been stretching them. Get the shirt first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna pinch it in the middle, and then I'm gonna twist it, if that makes sense. Then I'm gonna take my rubber band. It's gonna break, and it's gonna hurt my finger. Oh, it didn't break. Okay, I got one. We have our shirt. Okay, I actually got this squeezy bottle that I'm gonna put the bleach in to make it easier for me to put it on the shorts and the shirt. So these are our things. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just little patch. I'm literally like not even. I don't even know why I put these rubber bands on here. Okay, well we'll just. These are clearly two different things. Should I put more bleach on here? Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna put more bleach on there too. Okay, actually I'm gonna rinse them in cold water. Throw them in the wash. And we'll see when they come out of the dryer. But this is how they came out. Definitely not how I wanted to, because look, like these were both black. I get, like obviously because this is like a different material, it came out different. It's cute, I just don't think it's cute together. But let's see how the sweats look. Right here, this right here. Okay, now this is kind of cute. It's still not dyed the same. This is a little bit more red, orangey, but I'm not mad. Honestly, I don't think it was a fail with this one. Not with those, yes, totally. But I hope you like this.
Now from the top, make it drop.
So you should go and like bleach something in your closet that you really want to spruce up. I think bleaching it gives it a cute look. Stay tuned for my next video. And yeah, like I say at the end of my videos, bye, see you soon.